Okay, monkeys. We are fighting in Animal Company Part 2. Make sure to like and subscribe. This is fighting in Animal Company Part 2. Bro. I'm getting my butt kicked. We. Bruh. Oh, he just teleported. Ooga booga! Ah! Wee! Oh. Lol. No way. Ooga booga. Hold on. We got whole cans down. Hold on. Hold on. Let me get my whole cans. Okay, come on. Fight me like a monkey. Who are you? Get out if you don't want to get attacked. That was a floating in the air. Yo, get away! Woo! Oh God! Trip. Do. Not today, monkey. Okay. But look how much blood there is. Now, where do you think you're going? Ah! Salute, monkey. Ooga booga, ooga booga, ooga! Monkey. Okay, now I'm kicking butt. Send him flying. And where is that for? Do I own pogo sticks? Dilute! Ah! Get out! This is me and him fighting. Okay, we both send each other flying. Oh, did he die? Hey! Yo, you can have your pogo stick. No, give him his pogo stick back. Yeah. Grab your whole cans over here. I can't believe you died and I didn't get red wash. I was the one who... No, using baseball bats. Those are overpowered. Grab these instead. No, 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 stop. Oh my god. Okay, if I want to fight him, I'm gonna need something. No way, I just did that. I need this. Oh my.
Hi.
How many times did I just hit him? Oh, power! No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Oh, power! Huh. Huh. Ha ha ha. Ah, no, no. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Booga booga. Let me handle him.
Wait, Lord! Bro, I'm getting. Hey, can I have Hulk smash hammers? Can someone give me a Hulk smash hammers? Oh, I'm going in for this war. Oh, you guys are doing a war?
Oh no. Stop.
Wait! I can do this! Yay! Oh! Another one to my collect. I just wanted a Hulk smash! Oh. Hey. I was the one that killed you! I was the one that killed you!
No using rocket launchers in the fight.
Well, I'm sorry. Wait. Maybe if I did not use in the server. We got some really big in the server. Oh my god.
Why is there so many people?
Lances. I'm using lances.
Blue, I'm your friend.
Why is there so many people? How many people are there?
Yes, it is out of the store because.
Oh, crap.
Wow. I guess it is out. Go.
Wait, how many people?
I'm in the stinky. I just did a stinky. Now it stinks.
Get out of here. Blue.
I did a stinky. Yes.
Monkey.
Monkey.
Big monkey. Big monkey. Oh, ouch, ouch. Oh, that's just two people. Oh, people are using guns. Oh. I need help. I need help. I need help. Help me. Oh my god, I just shoot him. Oh, shit.
I'm out of ammo. No. No.
Kill him. He has 2 revolvers. Oh, poop.
I did not even know you. That's attempted murder.
Well, that's fighting an animal.